Hello everyone, myself Aditi Gholve and today I am making the question figure 12. So, first of all, for this question figure we have to take a paper, and in first question figure they are folding one part like this, and in next question figure without rotating they are making the second fold, means like this. And as the trick we have to follow, so we have to make here one fold, and as they are given here rectangle shape, we also have to make it. So we are cutting this part, then after that we have to cut it like this, and this both part should be equal. And then these parts are, we have to open these parts and our middle part is cutted. And then our next we have to unfold this part, and then we have to unfold the first figure, question figure, and we have to make it straight. So we are making, means this question figure is looking like option number C. So my answer is option number C. Thank you.